Hello, Keith and John. My name is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. And in this screencast, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to business with Mr. Remodeler. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why to do this. Well, partner, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Sergio, can you please do this for me? So by the end of the video, you liked what you heard, you can see the skills that have help you land more customers and grow your business, then shoot me a message and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free tag plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. Now, before you try to do it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. The first thing I'd like to go over with you is your content. So your business site. In order for your business to be optimized in Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. Now, I've found your site has about 229. So in comparison to what one of your competitors I'll be going over is NARI, which is National Association of Remodeling Industry in Kansas City. So in comparison with them, they have about 180 words throughout their homepage. Now, since you got them there, let's figure out why they're ranking ahead of you. They're ranking ahead of you because they have keyword content. Now, this shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. And every month, people are searching for a certain keyword a number of times. So going over to this tool called Ahrefs, I'm going to show you what your site's ranking for, which you have 725 backlinks and 117 referring domains and 112 organic keywords. So keywords, right? You have Mr. Remodeler, you're in the first position. I really hope so. That's the name of your business. But that's having 100 people search Mr. Remodeler, and you're only getting about 23 traffic for that keyword. So 100 people are searching this keyword per month. KD is 1 out of this, so 0 to 100. So that's very good. Traffic 23 because you're in the first position. Now, since you're in the third position for Remodeler Kansas City, you're getting a lot less than you would be if you were in the first position. And KD is a lot harder to rank for this keyword. So you're doing pretty well with keywords. Let's keep that up. So now that you know what yours looks like, let's go to your competitors. So this is Kansas City, NARI. They have about 8,120 backlinks, 285 referring domains, and 371 organic keywords. Now this is still very beatable. So looking at their keywords, you see remodeling Kansas City, that you're in the third place for that one, I believe. And they're getting 33 traffic out of the 9 traffic that you were getting earlier. If that's the same keyword, might be a different one. But you can see it has the niche and it has the city or location. Now this is the gold right here. You want a city, you want a niche. You want a niche, you want a city. KC Remodeling, model Kansas City. KC Nari. It's probably Nari KC somewhere around here. Anyways, you get the gist. So moving on to the next optimization section is the second most important thing I like to talk about. We call this Google Map Pack or Maps. So going to search remodeling Kansas City, you see I have the map pack pulled up. You see you're not anywhere on here. Now that's fine. It's probably because either you don't have your ratings up, or 2, you don't have citations. So you're asking, hey, how do I make a maps then? Well, your ratings and your citations. So to answer your question, actually, we go over to this tool called YSpark. Inside the tool is a local citation finder. So I already did a search for Mr. Remodeler, which is your business, and you have about 30 citation sources. Now, not all of which will be used because Google doesn't count that as a credible citation. These citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. Now your citations, right? Let's go back to Google Map Pack. Each tab is a business. Each business has a name, an address, and a phone number, aka NAPs. So the third thing, last thing, certainly not the least important, my fault, is your backlinks. And this is another important aspect because this is what gives your site authority. And we call it also link juice. So I do a search for remodeling Kansas City, and we go towards organic listings. Within the organic listing, you will have ads pop up on the first page because they're paying for that spot. Now, organically though, you have remodeling KC, Kansas City Remodel, Total Home KC, you have a blog, you have redesign KC. Now, this is where you want to be. And to get there, you need to be at the competition in every aspect. So this link juice simply put it works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. Now, there's a lot more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have a relative site linking back to you. So, for example, if we were to have total home KC linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a Pizza Hut linking back to you. Because I don't think you sling pizza for a living. At least you might. I don't know. Now, pull up Eris again. I go back to where the backlinks are. So if you're looking to use this tool, I pay about $100 a month. It's great for checking out any link juice that any sites may have to offer. Let's take a quick look at yours. You have about 721 linking back to you. That's very good. Pretty high DRs. You're doing pretty well for yourself. Now, you still can't find yourself on the first page of Google because you still need more. And to get that, you go over to your competition, Remodeling KC. You go to their backlinks. You see they have 8,120. You keep going down, take every single one that you think you need necessary. And that's how you get backlinks. Link juice. Authority on Google. Right? So once again, we went over content, citations, and backlinks. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words so you can be optimized to Google. And you start getting some backlinks from those keywords. Secondly, you have citations, right? You want at least 120 of these so you can start being listed on that Google Map Pack first page. And that's where the money is. Link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google your authority. So if that means taking these as well, that's what you need to do. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. Free charge, right? So I bet you're wondering what now. Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, I want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 816-654-5822. Now, once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you, and you have a great one.